Hello adventurers and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to show you what I carry. This is a 1950s folding pocket knife. It is made by Hapo in Austria. It has warranty steel as it says, and it still holds the edge. But as you can see, it is quite beat up. It's a using item. Here it has a little fish on it, so it's a Christian knife. Maybe it belonged to a priest or a fisherman. It has two blades, a large one and a small one. This is the kind of blade you use to cut your apple or to drill a small hole into something, whatever you need it for. I bought it at a flea market. Which is nowadays quite rare. Back in the day, flea markets used to be the best place to get knives. But nowadays, with all them knife bans and all this crap, yeah, it's hard to get one. It's also hard to carry one because, well, it's kind of illegal, which I don't care. Yeah, quite a nice little knife. There we get a bit of cardboard. Still cutting. One of the blades is a bit bent, but yeah, I mean, it's from the 50s and it's not a collector's item, it's a EDC, everyday carry item that gets used. But as you can see, it's quite sharp, it's cutting nice, it's holding an edge. It is made by rivets with a plastic shell. It has a fish recessed into it, but it has worn down. I have refreshed the paint a bit so you can see it again. It has a rivet and a metal ring around the rivet to reinforce it. It stays shut quite good. Does not have any halfway point thing or something. It opens and closes, but it's, you're not in danger of it closing on you and cutting yourself. Especially if you hold it like this, you can always rely on the not sharpened part here. By the way, let me give you a bit of a close-up. Hapo factory it says. It's opening nice, not too smooth. And again it has a rivet on this side and this side, which is very good. It held up all the time. Yeah, it's also size-wise quite comfortable. I mean, it's a good knife, great EDC knife. For bushcraft, sure. You can carve wood, make feather sticks with it. You could baton something, but obviously not here but here while setting it on. and then hammering onto this. I mean, it is bent for a reason. Yeah, the blade has a bit of play, but fine for a 50-year-old knife. The small one doesn't have any play at all. It's still absolutely rock solid. And if it gets looser, it's riveted. You can just put it into a vise and clamp it or hammer it a bit shut again. Yeah, it's serviceable. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And, well, now you know what I carry. Let me know if you want what you carry. Are you still as old-fashioned as me and you're carrying a knife? Or are you like carrying a smartphone? Or whatever they carry these days. I mean, if you encounter something that you have to cut, like, yeah, imagine you're buying something that's in a plastic blister, or, well, a zip tie is around something, then this is really what you want.